Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to cancel subscriptions on Amazon. So this covers things like Amazon Prime, Amazon Music, Audible, those kind of things. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come and log into your Amazon account. And then from here, once you're logged in, you want to come to your name up here in the top right hand corner. And if you hover over, you're going to get a drop down menu like this. What you want to do is just come down and click onto memberships and subscriptions. And this is going to take you to the page with all your current subscriptions. So you can see at the moment I've got 3 subscriptions. I've got my Prime membership, Amazon Music Unlimited, and Premium Plus Monthly. So you can see the status of each subscription down here. You can see Prime membership is due to end on the 12th of October. My Amazon Music renews on the 20th of December, so that one's currently active. And the Premium Audible, that's actually going to end as well on the 21st of October. So this is slightly different. If you look at the options to the right, obviously you can see the 2 cancelled ones have slightly different buttons. For example, the Prime membership, if I wanted to reactivate, I would go in here and click to reactivate, whereas the Audible has actually got continue membership just there. But to actually cancel your subscription, if you look to the right, so if I use the Amazon Music as an example, you can see a box there which literally says cancel subscription. If you don't have a box showing which says cancel subscription, all you want to do is go into the settings. You'll have the settings button for all of these. So Amazon Music settings. And then from here, you might need to scroll down slightly, but you should see an option to cancel your subscription. So if you look, there's actually down here, it says subscription renewal, and it's got my details, all the details when it's going to be renewed and at how much. And you can see just underneath there's a cancel subscription link. So to cancel, all you need to do is give it a click. And then it's going to take you through a couple of steps because they're going to try and keep you signed up for the membership. But all you want to do is when they give you the options is just go ahead and click the cancel subscription. Generally they're going to ask for feedback, but normally if you look underneath there's a link like this which says no, I don't want to provide feedback. So you don't have to do this, this is completely optional, but you would just go ahead and click the link. And again, it's going to try and keep you signed up to whichever membership you're trying to cancel. So they might offer you like an offer. I remember with the Audible, when I actually cancelled that, they tried to give me a free credit to get a book. So they do little things like that to try and sway your mind and keep you on the platform. But obviously if you're 100% adamant you want to cancel, all you need to do is click the cancellation button. So I'm just going to go through and cancel this. So that's now been cancelled. You'll see if I actually go back to my memberships and subscriptions page. And it should now have changed and be showing that the Amazon Music is cancelled. So yeah, you can see that's cancelled. It now says, instead of renews, it says ends on the 20th of December. Obviously, it's going to be slightly different, the cancellation process, as in they're going to give you different offers to try and keep you on the platform. What you need to do is obviously you have an option to either stay or cancel, and you just obviously need to go through and keep clicking to cancel your subscription. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.